So for me to meditate is just a small word. It's a small part of what I call the practice of presence, or what many people call the practice of presence. It's not just mine. So this involves being in the present moment, being absolutely connected to the aliveness of the here and now. So what happens when we do that? Well, the first thing is we become more aware, become more rooted in the present moment, grounded in presence. We become more aware of the flow of breath. The chest expands, and when the chest expands, the heart opens slightly. And then there's a subtle joy that arises. There's a change in the vibration of your energy field. There's more of a connection to the emotions. When the heart opens, feelings arise. Softness, opening, being vulnerable. The mind starts to calm down. So we start to move away from stress and towards stillness. When that happens, the body relaxes and the energy expands. So then it starts to flow into the room. It starts to touch the plants in the room. It connects to other people in the room, to the walls of the room, to the walls outside the room, to the garden, to the community. You see where I'm going with this? As we raise our vibration, we move into the place of infinite possibility that exists beyond time and space. It is the present moment in its ultimate manifestation, if you like, a space of pure love. Pure love means moving into balance. Balance means to heal, to be spacious, fulfilled. Now, as we grow more strength and more consistency in the capacity to move into that vibration, then it becomes more natural and easy and stable within each and one of us, every one of us. So when you walk through your day and you meet somebody, your vibration, being strong and calm, is going to impact that person. Effectively, you're giving them love. You don't have to do anything, it's just your state. It's your nature. Peace be unto you.